Welcome to Magitools. Here's how to check the member count on a Discord server. First of all, if you're on your own Discord server, simply head over to the down arrow next to your server's name, click on it, go into server settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to members. And then you can easily see how many members you actually got on your server. Also, if you have your own bot, you can make it display the member count. As you can see here on the right side, I've got my own Linguaholic bot and I can make it display the total amount of members. Now, if you would like to know the number of members on a server that you don't own, things get a little bit more complicated. In fact, if you're on a desktop, chances are that you don't see the number of total members on a specific Discord server. For instance, if I head over here to the Everyday Languages server, there's actually no way for me to see the total amount of members. Also, if I click here on the down arrow next to the server's name, I can obviously not enter the server settings because I'm not an administrator of that server. Because I'm just a regular member on that server and I don't have administrator or moderator permissions. However, there are still ways to find out how many members there are on a server, even on desktop. For example, if you've got an invite for a server, you can copy and paste that invite in a channel of your choice. And then you will actually see how many people are online on a server, and you can also see the total amount of members. However, the problem here is that if you have already joined the server and then copy and paste an invite from that very server, you won't see that, you will just see joined as here. Now, if you couldn't figure out yet how many members there are on a certain server, you can also always check a website called disboard.org. It is basically a place to discover Discord servers, and most of the bigger servers, they actually have a profile on that website. So you could just simply search for your favorite server here. Just having a look for gaming servers. And once you click on the name of a specific server, you will see the total amount of members, and you will also see how many members are currently online. Now I have just searched for my own server here as well, and you can see that it will properly display the amount of members here, which is currently 3,563, and over 600 people are online. Let me go back to my Discord app here, and you will see that the member count is exactly the same, so that works really well. However, it needs to be pointed out that sometimes the synchronization maybe is not 100%, so because it wasn't updated for some time. But generally speaking, this works really well, so you definitely get a good estimate about how many people are on a certain server. Now, if you're on a mobile phone, things are actually a little bit easier. Okay, on a mobile phone, simply open up your Discord app. And then all that is left for you to do is simply click here on the name of the server, which in our case is my server Linguaholic. I will just tap on that, and then I'll just scroll down a little bit, and you will see that the member count just pops up there. Now, the cool thing on mobile is that this works for every server, not only for my own server. So if I will go to the Everyday Languages server from before, I will just tap on it here on the left sidebar. And then on top, if I just click on the server name, scroll down a little bit, and immediately I will see that this server actually has 25,978 members currently. So, as you can see on my mobile phone, things are much easier as far as the member count of a server goes. I hope you guys did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.